Good morning, welcome, and thank you for coming in today. Good morning, thank you for having me. I appreciate the opportunity. Let's get started. Can you tell me a bit about yourself? Sure. My name is Dinda Fidayanti and I am a fresh graduate of Informatic Engineering from Nurul Fikri Integrated Technology College. During my studies, I was actively involved in the Informatic Engineering Student Association, where I had the chance to work closely with fellow students on various tech-related projects and events. I've also gained practical experience in areas related to my major, such as software development and basic network system, which I believe have prepared me well for a role in the tech industry. How did you hear about the position? I found out about this position through a job posting on a career website. After reading the job description and learning more about your company, I became very interested because the role matches my background in informatic engineering and aligns well with my career goals. What attracted you to our company? What really attracted me to your company is your strong reputation in the tech industry and your commitment to innovation. I've read about some of your recent projects and how you're applying new technologies to solve real-world problems that align perfectly with my passion for continuous learning and contributing to meaningful, impactful work. What is your greatest strength? One of my greatest strengths is my ability to adapt quickly to new technologies and environments. As someone who studied informatic engineering, I'm used to learning new programming language, tools, and systems in a short amount of time. I'm also a fast learner and enjoy solving complex problems both independently and as part of a team. Have you suffered from any setback? Yes, I have. One of the setbacks I experienced was during a group project in college where we were developing a mobile application. Initially, we had poor communication and didn't assign clear roles, which led to missed deadlines and confusion. It was frustrating, but I took the initiative to call a meeting, reorganize our workflow and create a better communication system. In the end, we completed the project successfully, and I learned a lot about teamwork, leadership, and the importance of clear planning. What is your greatest weakness? One of my weaknesses is that I sometimes take on too many tasks at once because I like to be helpful and involved. In the past, this made me feel overwhelmed and affected my productivity. But I've learned to manage my time better by prioritizing tasks, setting clear deadlines, and being realistic about my limits. I'm working on saying no when necessary and focusing on quality over quantity. What are your goals within 5 to 10 years? Within the next 5 to 10 years, I aim to grow both professionally and personally in the field of technology. I hope to gain solid experience in software development and gradually move into a more strategic role, such as a project manager or system analyst. I also plan to continue learning with whether through certification or a master's degree, so I can stay up to date with the latest technological advancement. Ultimately, I want to contribute to meaningful projects that solve real world problems and have a positive impact. Alright, thank you for your satisfying answer. Before we close this interview session, I'm open to any question now if there's anything you'd like further clarification. Yes, thank you. I do have a question. What are the next steps in the recruitment process and when can I expect to hear back from the company? That's a great question. After this interview, we will be reviewing all candidate response and conducting a final evaluation. If you are selected to move forward, we'll contact you within the next 1 to 2 weeks for the next step, which might include a technical test or a second interview. Thank you again for your time and interest in this position. Thank you very much for taking the time to meet with me today. I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to discuss the position and to learn more about your team and the company's vision. Our conversation has further strengthened my interest in this role, and I am excited about the possibility of contributing my skills and experience to your organization. Once again, thank you for the insightful discussion and for considering my application. I look forward to the next step and hope to have the opportunity to work with you in the future.